Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Bitcoin Cash has recently broken out a quite long-term down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout recently, Bitcoin Cash has also broken out this very long-term resistance of $350 value. You can see that for the past few days, it was breaking at the resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that this $350 has been previously working as a support here and resistance here. And for few weeks, it has been working as a resistance here and support here as well. And now, again, it can break as a strong support for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that first we broke out this wedge, then we broke out this symmetrical triangle, then we broke out another channel, and now recently Bitcoin Cash has also broken out another bullish bias pattern. That is another down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of September 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared on 18th of July 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that Bitcoin Cash completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade signal, buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and once again dropped down into the buying zone. Then we had a nice reversal, and this was almost 11% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, even for the past several months, since after the month of March 2024, it was moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And here we had a fake out, and we had another bounce from the support. Then we got another rejection, another rejection here. And now recently we have again broken out the resistance of the channel. And now after breaking out the resistance of the channel, we have also broken out a very significant resistance of $350 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $350 was breaking at a resistance here, support here, resistance here, and resistance here. And for several weeks it has been breaking at a support here and almost has a resistance here and resistance here as well. And therefore now again it can break as a strong support for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at $700. And you can see that at the same time, the price line is also bounced from this long-term uptrend line support as well. That was previously breaking at a resistance here for several months. And after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. We had several touch points here. And now recently, the price line is once again bounced very well from the support. And if the price line hits the target for the breakout from this channel here at $700, then you can see that from $700 to $800, we have another quite long-term resistance on. Previously, the price line was rejected by this resistance on here, and here, and here, and here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. On this 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And technical long-term target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.